What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about the Black Plague that wiped out the whole Europe's population in the 14th century. But some of the story in that time is weirder than the disease itself. Trust me. Some of the people think that the disease just spreaded randomly. No, it didn't. Let me explain. It rode on rats and fleas and human trade routes, helped it move faster than everybody thought it was moving. Yeah. Ships, towns, and markets became its perfect highways. And the ways how people tried to fight it? Well, doctors wear this bird-like masks stuffed with herbs and thinking it would protect them. Some blame cats for killing thousands, which actually made the rat problem very worse. Medieval medicine was, let's just say, unique. Okay, let's now talk about the aftermath, about the disease, how it was after it happened, when it ended. Let me show you. Let's talk about it. By the end, Europe was very devastated, but the plague also changed society forever. Labor shortages, economic shifts, and new medical ideas started taking shape because of it. Crazy history, right? If you love weird historical things, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more of my videos. And yeah, it's been Historical Ryan. See you guys in the next video.